Happy birthday to you.
Ah, dude, you burned me with your spark.
Yeah. Yay! One more. Right. Jaden would have said that. Jaden, keep blowing, buddy. Did you even make a wish or did you just start blowing?
Oh, I wish I had him put the ball.
Oh.
Hurry up so I can put his face in the cake.
I wish I had him.
It looked like that was a killer. All right, they better go out because I'm getting tired. Deshaun, you better like slice a piece, boy. That cake ain't big enough to just be wasting icing on it. Oh. All right.
Lift that piece right there. No, Jaden, look. Lift that piece right there.
That's my contribution.
Are you crying, Mom? Oh, laughing at Jaden. Becca, my Preston got grass in his head. Right.
Hey, what did you?
He said, don't be ruining my wish, man.
Okay, Jaden, okay. I don't want to spit his cake.
No, it came back on.
Blow it, Bubba. Since you don't want me blowing it.
Now it's a real party.
Yay!
No! Party rockers in the afternoon. Everybody just have a good time. Yeah, we will make you lose your mind. Yeah, Jaden here.
We're gonna have a good time.
Every day. No.
Look your nose.
Cell phone in.
Oh, he's actually happy.